For today's video, let's define what is a Cortado coffee. Cortado is a very popular and simple drink. Basically, it is served in a 4 ounces cup or glass with a 1-to-1 ratio of espresso and steamed milk. So, typically if you ordered Cortado in a specialty coffee shop, you'll get 2 ounces of espresso and 2 ounces of steamed milk, roughly total of 4 ounces of Cortado coffee. Cortado has a fully round espresso that has sweet smoked chocolate notes with smooth texture of milk that adds sweetness to the coffee. The word Cortado comes from Spanish verb cortar, which means to cut, referring to the espresso diluted with milk. This coffee was originally from Spain in the early 1960s.